Good Monday morning, all. It's Mindful Monday, so check out the activity in Seesaw and be ready to share at 8:30. At 9:45, Miss Rollins will be seeing her reading group in her channel, but we will all meet together at 9:45, as well as we will all meet together at 10:45. But those people that she will be seeing, which was the same people as last week, you will then go into her channel once I take attendance. Um, let's see what else. So we have 3 days this week, and we will take our spelling test on Tuesday and our reading test on Wednesday. And on Tuesday, we'll try to also look over some of those that are going to present on their favorite animal. If you have not turned it in, it needs to be due today. I will check later today to see who is I'm still missing. Hopefully none. So anyways, let's make it a great Monday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.